6:30 na. We're just waiting for everyone to prepare, get ready, because we're eating in Kaya Korean restaurant.
Yeah, so we're using a new camera today. It's a GoPro Hero 12.
We're testing it out, guys.
Yeah, so comment down below if maganda ang quality niya.
Bakit dumidilim yung screen?
Yeah, hindi
normal lang yan. Okay. So, yes, I'm already hungry. Kumain na si Mumi ng pineapple kanina kasi nahahype na daw siya. Pero, for me, I haven't eaten kasi babawi tayo sa Kaya.
Yeah.
We're gonna eat in Kaya. So, ang food nila dun. So, yes.
Okay.
Okay.
We'll see you there. Hi guys, we're here at Kaya already. It's already 11:48 and gutom na yung kasama ko. Say hi, Mumi.
Hi.
So, lunchtime. Actually, brunch pala kasi pa nagpo-brunch.
You know?
Hindi na siya nagsispill kasi gutom na gutom na. So, we are with Dre, Dex, and Tina Play.
Tita Ninang Play.
Also with Queen Pie.
Queen Pie. Mother Queen. Ano play na ito?
Tapos, sa Korea, parang isang kalbi lang. Even dun sa Kaya, dun sa Korea. Okay, so I'll try first the toge. Kaya mo first time kumain. Then the fish cake.
Fish cake.
With kimchi. Non-spicy chili.
Manager cake. Kami nagbawin kami ng dessert. Balcony for dessert. Hey guys, so we're back home from Kaya. Sobrang sarap ng food, sobrang dami namin order. Kaya
sobrang natira.
Sobrang busog kami, dami ring natira. So, may dinner na kami later for sure.
Sobrang busog, pero kumakain pa lang ako yun.
Dessert time naman yun.
Yeah, merienda time.
So, yeah, it's around 2 p.m. na. Feel na namin yung antok. And because it's so chill here and so calm. Ang sarap lang matulog. Grabe. But that's the plan. Magnanap muna kami. We're gonna edit some videos. We're gonna watch some Physical 100. And then, we're gonna feed the babies around 4 p.m. And then, we're gonna walk around here. Ang sarap maglakad dito mamaya. Kasi lumalamig na siya when the sun sets. So, that's the plan. Hey guys! So, it's around 6 p.m. and we're going for a walk. Dami namin nakain kanina, so, and ang ganda rin ng view, so yeah. We're going for a walk na. And yay for accountability, because we went out for a walk. Hindi kami tinamad. So yeah.
We are joined by Tinang Plinks, Dre and
Tinang Plinks, Dex and Dre. Nagulaan, Jess. Yeah, so
see you guys later.
join us in this walk. Iba-vlog ko yung ano namin, yung path namin. Okay guys, 15 minutes down.
15 minutes?
A lot of hills along the way.
Push.
Push.
Pero parang
Sakto lang yung time namin. Sakto yung time namin kasi hindi mainit. Kung 4 natin ginawa ito, grabe. Okay, let's go. 3 more minutes.
last man standing.
Hey guys, we're on our way to feed the babies. It's the next morning and Sarap ng morning dito. Hindi siya ganun kainit. Unlike in Makati na aga-aga pa lang. So, feel mo na agad yung init. Dito, may araw. Pero, hindi siya ganun kainit pa. Hey guys! Happy Easter! So, we have an event today. It's the baptism and birthday. First birthday of Laura. So, ninang ako. Kaya, aga-agahan tayo sa church.
Hi guys! It's already 1:36 and we just came from the church at sobrang init ng weather ngayon. So today is March 31. It's Easter Sunday. So we're here now sa Lip Park. Anong area ba ito? Pasay?
Pasay area.
Pasay area.
It's near Namua. So we're gonna celebrate. Like I said earlier, nasa reception kami sa first birthday and baptism of Laura. I'm so excited kasi ang daming ni-rent ni ate na booth. We have personalized pens, may potato corner, oh my gosh, yun yung pupunta ako mamaya. There's milk tea, coffee, may pancakes pa guys. Very, it's called children's party.
Parang,
I'm excited to eat.
It's been a while since the last time I attended a children's party.
Yes.
Okay, that's it guys.
That's it. Tingnan natin yung food mamaya. And join us sa mga adult games. Meron daw games na with prizes. May basketball, so let's try that later. Yeah, Spanish latte.
Spanish latte.
Pwede pa po yung sugar level. At ang pearl. Okay. Hey guys! Welcome to the vlog! So, it's a Saturday today. It's a long weekend actually. Kasi April 9 and 10, walang, it's a holiday. So, we're here now in Secret Recipe in Wanayana. We just decided to try this one. Kasi sabi ko, pilo mo ba kumain sa labas? So, oo daw. Agad-agad niya sinabing yes. So, we're here now to try Secret Recipe. It's by Bistro Group. So, feeling ko naman masarap siya. Mixed Asian yung cuisine niya. So, we ordered
Seafood spring roll.
Seafood spring roll. Thank you. We ordered seafood spring roll. Tsaka chicken mochi. With, ang dami na yan. Okay. So, ito yung spring roll. We're gonna show it later. Tsaka yung chicken mochi. Share lang kami doon. I'm so excited. I'm so hungry. Hey guys, so nakapila na kami sa National Bookstore. We're gonna get our passports photocopy. It's part of the requirements for your visa. Hey guys, so natapos na kami sa errands namin today. And we're about to go home. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog after BLK, pero nag-SM na kami noon. And nag-check out ng Fancy Movie sa Uniqlo. Pero wala naman siya nakuha nun. So, we're going home. Nga pala, kaya kami pumunta sa mall today is because inasikaso namin yung Korea visa requirements namin. So, that's that. Hindi lang namin na-print out yung application form kasi hindi nag-open for some reason. So, papaprint out ko na lang sa staff namin. So, yun lang. Andun. So, bye! Thanks for coming with us today. Hello, Franny! Hi, Franny! Hey guys, it's Sunday today and merong Thailand-Philippine Festival, street food festival dito sa Rada. So, closed yung street this weekend. Ang daming tao, grabe! Kami prepared for this, so.
Hirap pagdala ng dog kasi yung dami ring
Daming tao, so
bata at saka ibang aso.
Yeah, tapos overwhelmed sila dun. Overwhelmed si Molly kasi ang daming adults.
Bangon yung pad thai kanina, daanan namin, nakakagutom.
Nakakagutom. Nakita niyo naman sa video.
Hindi ka pwedeng pumunta ng gutom kasi maglalaway sa amin.
Oo. Tapos sabi ng guard doon, ganda ng aso niya. Ganda ng aso naman.
Hi guys!
Hey guys! Wait, isa pa. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
Hi guys!
Good morning!
It's already 10:48 and March 28 na ngayon. So,
It's a Holy Week.
It's a Holy Week.
It's a Monday, Thursday.
Monday?
Monday, Thursday, Friday.
Ano ba ulitin ba natin to?
Okay.